There are more than a few ways that including coffee in your day can aid in your weight loss efforts. First, coffee contains caffeine, which has thermogenic effects and can speed up metabolism, helping you to burn more calories, the nutrition twins tell us. Some studies have shown that it can help to decrease BMI, body weight, and body fat. Coffee can also curb appetite and reduce hunger. Research shows that drinking coffee before a meal can reduce the calories you eat at the following meal, even if you have the coffee for up to 4 hours before a meal. Coffee also contains chlorogenic acid, which has been shown to increase fat burning and may help slow the absorption of carbohydrates. You've heard it straight from the source. Coffee can certainly support your weight loss efforts. Just be sure to stay clear of sugary syrups, artificial sweeteners, and sweetened creamers, as they can quickly turn your drink into a cup of added sugar and calories.